Ready?
1, 2,
Ready?
3.
Man feel like a champ right now. Smiling to the bank right now, yeah. Man shining on the plans right now.
Okay, good morning guys. So this is my sister Sash. I work at Ochi today, so I said why not vlog? Yeah, so hope this video work out so I can bring it with me. But yeah, I don't know why it reflect that. You see? Like me look glowy, like me glow. Yeah. But yeah, make it work. So I'll talk to you guys when I get there because you know me I drive. The video not gonna work. But we'll get some breakfast now. It's pretty early. Yes. But hopefully Burger King open. Alright, so buy breakfast. So while I eat, quick. Okay, I'm not on any diet, guys. I'm not on a diet. I must work out and eat properly. So I'm gonna eat breakfast now and then I'm head out. Everybody coming over in this lane, okay? Mad people out, you know? What you think? Why? I don't know the Jamaican driving. I don't know, honestly. Oh, should we talk? Okay, guys, en route to Ochireas. 1 hour drive. So, well, it's supposed to be 45 minutes, but me, I gotta take 1 whole hour. Let's hope I can make it in less than an hour. Alright, I'm gonna make them so long because I'm gonna add for cut.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Ready to get beat down?
My gosh.
Yes.
Mstoofine.
But now we're out here together, with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Like electricity. Now we're out here together, with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Like electricity. Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day. But now we're out here together, with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
See, you want to take nothing for you. Sure. Did you get that done?
See that? Oh, and daddy see me? Alright, comes out.
Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity.
Spin, come on. Guys, look at me.
Feel the
He's pretty. You look amazing. Congratulations. Okay guys, so we're here. We stopped. God, my gum sore. But yeah, I done work and we stop to get something to eat. And that's here. We show you how I'm hungry. So we buy soup and alright, son. So we get hot dog. That would be the greedy one.
Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day.
Okay, what's your look at our fire? We don't drink the soup, so we're head home. Just look like traffic with it. No copyright around here. Right down. So yeah. Oh. Me head home now. Boil the soup. My head stop hurt. I'm hungry for sure. May I eat my next hot dog on the way.